align perfectly with our theme. From schools to startups, igniting young minds. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Mohammed. I request our corporate coordinator, Mr. Chandan, to welcome us.
I think theme of today's, I think this for me they have given one day or two to just address you about the young minds to innovate, igniting the young minds to innovate. So build on the National Technology Day, just to aware the program about what best students after completion of their engineering, how they can focus on the technology and what type of jobs they can do. So before the online within 20-30 minutes, you can see that everything is, business is online. There's 35 billion data you will be getting online. 35 business opportunity, billion devices, customers are there online. So there are different types of background, different types of things. So for that, what we want to do? So earlier you need to search for the customers where it will be there. So I am telling that so 2030 all customers will be online. All customers will be online. That's why the government are promoting you to start your own ideation, creation, startups. Okay, I think just some equation is there. Anyways, what we need to do? We need to start a new business. So how do you start a business? So I think everybody knows that. So why because so my session will be some interactive class will be there. So that in between I can ask any questions. So that questions are not out of box. So please feel to answer that. Even though your answer is wrong, no problem. Okay, what's your name? Huh? Sanjay. Sanjay, say what will be there? Say, so you are doing engineering for what? For what purpose you are doing? So even though you came by force or by choice or without choice, you joined this engineering. So what is the outcome of engineering? What is the outcome? After completion, what do you want to do? Then till your 12th, 10th, 12th, what you have done, say, to become some doctor, engineer or something. So now, after becoming engineer, what is your what do you want to do after? No idea. Okay, job. Okay, say job, say always you have to try to describe yourself. Until you try to describe yourself, you will not be able to. Okay, that's good. Okay, so you have to what's your name? Sanjay. Okay, what will be the outcome of your engineering?
I especially came here for the exposure.
Exposure. What type of exposure?
The industrial exposure.
What do you want to do after engineering? Huh? You are going to start. Okay, I think one startup this has been launched here itself. Then we'll tell you that how the startups will be going to happen, for that what struggle you want to do, and you can see that how many startups have started and what are the aim minds. It's not like that very senior stuff. Say very senior persons they have started after 50 years, 60 years. Say nobody is now the nobody is starting the business. So now young minds they are starting their own startup. The young minds they are becoming billionaires. So the senior person they cannot able to earn, but young minds having generating some ideas, they will become a billionaires. So one of the ultimate goal, so what your engineering students they will forget that the outcome of your use service, you need to serve some organization to getting some high-end salary. Okay, so it can be you can become an employee. You can become an employee to serve some organization, or you can become a partner for that organization, or you will be starting your own organization to help others. The ultimate goal of each and everybody. What is the ultimate goal? Is you need to serve to the society. So whatever you are serving for that, they are paying you. Whatever you are serving, they are paying you. Says how to serve this. So can we have our own organization to serve others? So that's why. So for that, how to generate the second one with the innovation. How to bring innovation in every area. I think you know that. Say computer science is one branch that can solve any problem on the world. Any problem in the world can be solved through computers. You have seen no? Say just can you mention any organization they are not using computers? Each and every organization they are using computers. Means say using the computers you can solve any problems of the world. Think anything is not there in traffic, computers are there. Anything is not there in any colleges, any organization, healthcare, anywhere you see, you will be finding computers. Whereas computer is a one technology that will be solving any type of problems. So for that, how to know that what is the problem? How to know the problem? And that is by how to know the problem? Technology actions and startups will go with the distortions. See, where you will be getting ideas where there is a lot of distortions. Where you are getting ideas where there is a lot of distortions. For example, you can see that distortions in taxi services. Then what will be there? Uber, Ola. So now within a fingertips, you can book online. Okay. So earlier you need to search, go to the particular center, then you need to pre-book and you need to wait all those things. Now within a fingertips, the cab person will be standing in front of the house at a particular time. So this is called innovation. The technology, using the technology, you are solving one disruption technology. Okay. So what is the one more thing? I think you have not understood how we are solving in grocery. Everybody no. So now nobody is able. So now nobody is able to go outside. Even your parents are forcing you go to the supermarket, bring some item. Then what whether we have a Uber or Zepto, whichever, Amazon. So they will just by clicking it is coming to your doorstep. So what whether it is delivery free. Coming or not? Just on click you are getting all this. So whether this is not a technology. Books. Okay, how many of them they go to the library? How many of them purchase the books? Then most of them they scan and they will be reading by from the mobile or from the computer. It's a soft copy, not there. The maximum, I think, if you see the library, maximum only 5% persons will be going to the library and reading the books. The maximum they want online access. So everything will what whether they should be on a finger. Next is earlier going to some other city was very difficult. Where to stay, what to that. So now within a fingertip you can book for 1 month, world tour you can pick up. You can click, you can select the hotels, you can select the rooms, you can select the accessories also. So what? Say I am just telling you that focus. Say what you can do. Focus the technology involved in each and every area. Okay, next is shopping. I think most of the, say, if you tell 10 years before, say anybody can book a dress, okay, online dress, so they used to laugh. How can you physically not see all those material, all those things? How can you book? I think you have seen that. Many they are booking online dress and returning after wearing 1 day or 2 days again they are returning back. They are doing that. Yes or no? They are doing that. But say earlier if you think that everybody was laughing, say technology made you to do that. Whatever the person will be laughing, say whatever you are laughing, you are making that. So just focus that. I'll be just telling you that next which technology you have to do and what are the things you need to focus. And reading was again it was very difficult. So we will stop that. Instructions in media. So now nobody wants. So nobody. There is no time also for you because as soon as you open the YouTube Shorts, you don't know that how many hours it goes like anything. How many hours it goes like anything. Yes or no? As soon as you open the YouTube Shorts, say they will be psychologically showing some clips that you are interested. So you never wants to stop that things. You know that what is happening. Say, earlier if you tell that I'll make you a magic so that you will be listening for 1 hour. So now mobile phone are doing some magic. So you are listening for 1 hour, 2 hours. All the skills. Say, that is not. If you cannot tell that magic, it's a technology. So how they are reading your mind, how they are reading your things. Understood? I think in future, say knowing about any person, for example, this person wants to marry after a few years. Say the person, the bride, say the family, they won't be asking for their parents. They'll be asking the Google services because Google knows best than the father's parents because he will give analytics that what he has been searched, what he was doing alone, what he was doing outside, everything he is doing analytics and giving for you that. And what is that? That is also next. So what is the startup phase for today? What is that? You can create your own organization for a private limited company or LLP or any firm. So that will be retained for 5 years and you are not crossing the your financial more than 25 crores and say for that anything you require a business. So business, they are taking that. So future is depend on the business. I think you know that future the US will be shutting down. Complete all it will be operated from the South India. The South India becoming the education hub, business hub for the world. So that's why what I think you have to listen about G20 also. G20, I think you have seen the summit. So most of the G20 summit has been done in Bangalore. Most of the companies they are signing the treaty that most of the business solutions will be coming from Bangalore. I think that's why you have seen that every colleges their intake is more in the computer science. They are given a different name and they are taking. Whether you agree or not? So no. Every colleges you can see mechanical no jobs, civil no jobs, but computer science they are increasing like anything. So should I? So whether you are coming to the track or not. So that's why when you start up India, then you can stand up here. So that's why now what will be there? Say there's whole world business coming to India. So then what will be there? You need to start your own organization. You need to know that what type of business model I can frame for that particular organization, so that I can able to. Okay, what type of ideas I need to create. So for that what will be there? One of the main important characteristics is observation. Whenever you travel from college to home, just see that whatever the disruption is happening, traffic problem is there. That is also disruption. Can you generate any innovative ideas? I think traffic commissioner also they are open-ended for any engineers in Bangalore, those who can be able to give the innovative ideas to reduce the traffic. Every day you are doing, but you are not getting ideas how we can reduce the traffic. Okay, so that is one is called through observation we can generate some idea. Next is there is difference between the business and the startup. I think for example, Big Bazaar you have seen that any store you have here. You want to start up physically, you want a store. Okay, any You want a physical store where every customer want to visit, and that from that he has earned. So one more startup is nothing but they have been created only 6 warehouses and there are 0 stores. Have you seen any Flipkart store? But how much is earning? More than 98 billion. I think $1 billion. One day, 1 billion there is earning. Sir, billion day offers. So 1 day billion. How they are doing this technology? How they are doing all those things? That I will be focusing on what technology does. So only I am aware that see how to innovate you. So the ideas has to be generated. See the things, how you can do that. I think now you understood about the business and the, what is the difference between business and the startup. Okay, so we come to there. Everybody wants to be entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. India needs more entrepreneurs. We need more entrepreneurs. Let's say huge funding has been given for each startups. Okay, I think up to 20 lakhs they will be giving the subsidy for you. You can only to pay so that you can be able to establish, so that you can get a more project. So I think out of 100%, more than 80% startup has no collapse because they don't know what to do. Okay, based on seeing your friend, based on see, you open my company, I am also open. Okay, say I think within 10,000, 25,000 to 30,000, you will be getting one company with a name, label, website, all those things. Within 30,000 or 40,000, you will be getting company. But as soon as you open the store, the business has to come. So technology has to be there in your organization. Then only the business will be grown. So that's why the most of the startups, 80% they are getting shut down because they don't know what to do. But we require needs more startups. Okay, I think you have seen that startups have started at the early age and they become billionaires. So it can be next name, it can be your name will be on the screen. Son, anybody knows any name? I think Paytm now has gone down. Okay. I think most of the startups we have seen that the loop is very high and getting down. It is not continuous. Whereas they are not retaining for many years or so. Let's see that, for example, Baidu, Paytm also cannot. Just understand, learn the. Hey, they are not the pay. See, these all they are not the children of billionaires. They are all just like engineers, management fellows. You will see that. The Flipkart where we gather. That's how many engineers. Okay, I think college dropouts who you. Okay, engineers, Paytm, actors. Okay, MBA person, teacher, Alibaba. Okay, I think many organizations you can see now. Facebook owner, Microsoft. Say what we want where the innovative ideas for the business solution. Okay, say it doesn't mean that college dropout means is focusing on the business model, idea generations. Okay, what Microsoft Bill Gates told that I didn't complete my degree, but all the toppers will be working under me. The hard things he has been done, through that he has been established and that he was a billionaire for many years. Number one billionaire for many years he was. If they can, why not? Now, can you raise your hand? See how many of them interested to become an entrepreneur? Yes. So that is that. Then again you will be laughed out. So you will be laughing, raise your name. Okay. Then any journey will be there. Should be some position. For example, you are going, you want to board up from train from Bangalore to Delhi. Okay, if you are boarding from Bangalore, means you are in the 0th position. Okay, Delhi is in the 100th position, 100%. You are in the 0th position. Where, which position you are there? Just try to evaluate yourself. Which position? Whether you are lost in your positions, whether you are getting any consultant for that, whether you are getting any innovation ideas are there, whether you have been shown your technologies, innovations, okay, creativity in the form of hackathon you have presented, in the form of project you have been presented. Anybody appreciated you that this technology will be helpful for this community? Let it be small community, let it be, whether it will be helpful. Thousands, lakhs or billions of problems are in the world. You can solve, for each solving you will be getting reward also. Okay, pretty confused, where to go next? Or with that, they always, I'll be sharing you the slide, no problem, we can take this slide. Okay, so I also collected from many sources. Say, sharing the slide so that you can be able to transform yourself. So what is the first is what? First elements of success is what? Ideas. If you don't have any ideas, you cannot able to grow. I think you have seen that human is the one animal has grown to this stage. Have you seen any other animal has grown? It's still there. Okay, many you can see surrounding you, many animals are there surrounding you and have not progressed. Only human has been progressed. Why? Because he generated some ideas. So not only he has been generated ideas, so he has been collaboratively, he will be working together. Collaboratively, further to record a team. You can see that, running one college also, she required a team. So without team you cannot do. So I alone will become a owner, I own anything you cannot do. Say everybody become a millionaire. Say if ask this person also millionaire, this person as a millionaire, if ask you have just give me some, okay, bring me one glass of water. I'm a millionaire. So that's why, so whether there are different components of the people, how to make a team, each team will be different. Okay, so there will be only one principle, no? There cannot be more than one principle. So, can you tell that, okay, in this Karnataka or whether there are 5 CMs. And it was possible, 1 CM will be there. So means for the foolish person or to the mother they are given deputy CM. Okay, so you have to make them 5 CM, they are deputy CM, but only 1 CM is, actually 1 person will be there, but category